In this song for the hashtag the Pro Challenge, we got one of the classic of all times. Now, you may think of this song by Tina Turner. You may think of this song by Creedence, Clearwater Revival. It don't matter because it's both amazing. This one is Proud Mary. So this song is actually a little bit more difficult than you might think, but it's super cool. I mean, just check out the intro here. Yeah, now I'm going to show you a little trick to make that a little easier. But what I noticed is what you see online, if you Google this search, like all the free tab sites, is actually wrong. So I'm going to show you the right way to do it. So let's do this intro part first. Oh, wait, by the way, I forgot to tell you. I'm playing my Romero Creations Grand Tenor Spalted Mango. This thing is amazing. This one is mine, but I do have a bunch of them up at the store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so grab your C chord. Let me show you just this first couple bars, and then I'll show you what happens on bar 3. So the first couple bars are just this. That's it. So it's just a C chord. You're going to go down, up, mute, and then up on the A chord, tie it, and then up, down, up. So it's kind of like the island strum, but it has a mute and one extra strum. So let's do that together. Ready, and... All right, so it does that twice, just like that. Now, check out the third time. All right, so that's a little bit more difficult because it's going to bring in the G chord and the F chord, right? So you're going to go, it starts off the same. So down, up, mute, up on the A. But now what you're going to do is another mute, and then up on the G, another mute, up on the F, another mute, and then up, down, and then on the up, you're going to hit this D chord, F, and D. So that part is a little tricky, but I think I figured out a way to make that F to D easy because I was struggling on it. All right. Now I'm just going to do that one more time, just that third time here. Okay. So it's going to go on the C chord, down, up, mute, up, mute, up, mute, up, mute, up, down, up, down, and then down, okay? So the trick here to go from the F to the D, this is a trick right here, because if you try to do this like I was trying to do, it's too hard. The trick is going to be F, then just simply add your third and pinky fingers for the D, and then take it off, and then put it back on, and then when you play your D chord for the verse, you're right there. Okay, so let's just play this intro. I know it's a lot, but I want to make sure we can get this intro together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and... And then... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, so then the rest of the rhythm is that right there. So when you grab your D chord, and notice how I'm fingering it because of that F chord. I'm going to finger it like this. The whole rhythm is going to be just down, up the whole time, but you're going to add a couple mutes in there, okay? So it's going to go. And all that is those mutes are on beats 2 and beat 4. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, and that's it. Now, that's the first part. Da da dee da dee da dee da. You're gonna play the D chord for a while. Da da dee da dee da da dee da da. Now it's gonna go big wheels keep. That's the A chord for 2 measures. B minor. Keep on burning. Now D. Rolling, rolling, rolling down the river. And then we're gonna end like this, just like the intro. Right there. So that's it. All right. Couple chords that are hard, probably that B minor chord. But you got this. You got this by now. So why don't we go ahead and add the lyrics? Join in with me. Come on. Big wheels keep on turning. Proud Mary, keep on burning. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Here we go. Left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day. But I never lost 1 minute of sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, oh yeah. Proud Mary, keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling down the river. Here we go, intro. Yeah, so notice I might have added a couple extra mutes here and there. Have fun with this. This is a fun song. Once you get this down, it kind of is like, remember when we did Jump in the Line? It's just kind of a lot of that continuous eighth note pattern with the right hand. So there you go. I can't wait to see your videos. Turn them in. Have a good time with this one, and we'll see you in the next one.